Good morning. Today is dead week and I have to go study for government and it's really early.
So here's for all you kiddos judging me and asking what's in my smoothie. Berries, spinach, milk, yogurt, and ginger. Good morning, everyone. So today I have an orthodontist appointment, so I'm going to be late. Sorry, I was scared that my car was not going to start because it's stupid. Okay.
Good morning, Sissy.
I love you.
I love you too.
So I'm going to school now and it's like 8:30 and school starts in 5 minutes. So I'm probably gonna be late too, but that's okay.
Hello.
It's Sydney. I'm going to an elective, so I think I have like 10 extra minutes, but that's okay. And unlike Caitlin, my radio's not broken, so I can listen to music.
Good morning! I had to do that. Caitlin adult today, so I'm just gonna be chilling, doing my own thing, and she's gonna be doing her own thing.
I have nothing to do for like 7 more minutes because all of the kids are at recess.
This is so cute.
Caitlin!
I'm happy. I think this picture.
I'm gonna be such a better, I'm gonna be a better vlogger than you.
Damn. Nope.
Yeah,
I'm already
I am.
higher up. I'm already winning. You can't beat me. You can't beat me.
I'm gonna be better than you, Jesse.
You're not gonna be better than me, Taylor.
Yeah, I am.
No, you're not.
Why not? There's 2 of us. There's only 1 of you.
Yeah, but people love me, not you guys.
That's not true.
That's so true.
Oh my god, I almost fell down.
You better.
Is that exciting to anyone? A little bit? Yeah, I know. So yeah, do it now. Do it now. It's go time. Whoa! Right, Levi, you feeling me now? Yeah. I knew it. I knew it. I knew I'd get him on board.
Okay, this is our final. We did pretty okay. Kind of, not really. We're gonna do it now. Spinners. I am very not excited for cheer practice tonight. It's only an hour and a half, but like, it's an hour and a half too much. I don't like having practices on Monday.
Oh, so today was a pretty good day. I was pretty happy, except for I called a tablecloth 3 times. Once by my orthodontist, once by my boyfriend, and once by my so-called good friend. I also ran a lot in PE. Yeah, my life's really boring, I'm sorry. I have practice for an hour and a half tonight. I don't understand. I really don't. But it's okay, it's gonna be fun. And I am really excited, which normally I wouldn't be. Okay, I didn't do anything else today. Bye.
Oh my gosh, okay. Can't. The only bike I can ride.
How you riding my little bike?
I'm riding your little bike.
Why you riding my?
Because it's the only one I can ride.
Hey guys, going to cheer for an hour and a half. I feel like it's really odd because tomorrow, like, none of the girls are going to be there. So I don't know why we're only going for an hour and a half today. But, oh, and we're going to have lots of fun. Here we go.
Bye, sis.
Hi, Shay. Hi, Mackenzie.
Hi.
Where's Zuri?
We're inside.
Zuri! Zuri, you left!
What the heck?
Hello! Yeah,
Hello,
it's
friends.
mine. Okay.
Can I say fans?
Aw, I'm gonna be famous. Caitlin is not paying attention to me. Hey. Do it. What are you doing? Harrison, say hi to the vlog. Why?
Because my phone won't work.
Say hi.
Shalom.
There we go.
Isn't that song? It's like.
Okay, I just wanted to tell you that you like super duper.
Go away! Shay! Shay! The floor is lava! 5, 4,
It's so stupid.
3,
She's climbing.
2, 1. What? Caitlin, what? What are you singing?
It's country. You love it.
Oh my god. Stop FaceTiming Harrison!
I have to.
Harrison! Harrison, say hi! He said hi last time. Yeah, no he didn't. It's too bright, I can't see him. I made dessert and the whipped cream fell down, so it's not as pretty anymore, but it's still gonna taste good.
What is up, my dudes? Okay, so it's like 7:30 and I got back from practice a little while ago and I ate a lot of food and I forgot to vlog because this thing is new to me, but I made milk. No, that sounds really weird. I heated up some milk and now I'm drinking it because I want to be sleepy. Yeah, okay. Oh, and I'm filming this in my fridge. It has better lighting.
Can we just take a moment and look how cute me and Caitlin are? Oh my gosh, that's not Caitlin. But, and then right here, she's so cute. I was just about to take a nap and I looked at the time and it was 8 and I was like, never mind. But it's so light and I was like, how is it 8 already? That means I have to go to bed soon. Ew.
Okay, so I just wanted to end today by saying that I love and appreciate all of you, the few of you there are. And if you're watching this right now and you're not subscribed and you haven't liked the video, you should do so right now. Thanks. Have a good night. Mwah. Oh, and by the way, little brown girl out.